Listen up! Here's how doing 10 lunges every day will transform your body. It's a key exercise for your lower body with some surprising benefits. In this video, I'll explain what will change in your body if you do 10 lunges every day. Let's get started! What muscles do lunges work? Lunges work a bunch of muscles in your lower body, like your hips, butt, thighs, hamstrings, and calves. If you do lunges often, your leg muscles will get stronger and bigger. The great thing about lunges is that they are simple to do and safe. You don't need any extra equipment, although using some can be helpful. Lunges variations. There are 5 different types of lunges that fitness experts talk about. Fixed lunges focus on your lower body muscles like your thighs, butt, and hamstrings. In these lunges, you don't move your feet much. Lateral lunges help work on your inner and outer thighs and quads. They also improve your balance and strength. Walking lunges are excellent for your abs, hips, and butt. They're like taking steps while doing lunges. You can make it tougher by holding weights like dumbbells. Reverse lunges are great for your abs, butt, and hamstrings. These are good for people with knee issues, limited hip movement, or trouble with balance. Rotating lunges are when you add a twist to a regular reverse lunge. It helps work your abs and butt even more, which can give you better results. Each type of lunge focuses on different muscles and can be made more challenging with extra weights or movements. Benefits of lunges. Let's discuss some of the benefits daily lunges can do for you. First, lunges help you get better at balancing and moving your body in a coordinated way. This is because when you do lunges, you're mostly on one leg, which makes your muscles work hard to keep you stable. Having better balance and coordination can help you do other exercises like squats much better. Lunges also make your butt muscles work hard. These muscles are strong and important for your lower body. Doing lunges can make them even stronger, which can improve your athletic performance and make your muscles bigger. Another cool thing about lunges is that they can help make your muscles more even on both sides of your body. Sometimes, without realizing it, we have one leg or side of our body that's weaker than the other. Lunges can help fix this imbalance and make your muscles more symmetrical. When you do lunges, your muscles work really hard, more than in exercises like squats. This makes your muscles contract and grow better. It also helps you connect your mind with your muscles, which is good for building strong and healthy muscles and improving your performance in activities like squatting, lifting weights, and working on your leg muscles. Lastly, lunges won't make you injury-proof, but they can make you less likely to get hurt. They strengthen the big and small muscles in your legs and help you control heavy weights better. This means your joints, like your ankles, knees, and hips, can handle the pressure when you do tough exercises like squats and deadlifts. So, lunges can help you stay safe while working out. Thanks for watching! Want to know what happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day? Or what happens to your body if you work out every day? The links are on the screen now, so check it out! I'll see you in the next one!